Welcome back. My name's Annette Garstek, and I'm a certified senior professional career coach. There's nothing more that I love than helping women get paid their worth and never underestimate their skills again. Happy 2022. Gosh, that's a mouthful. Happy 2022. Do you set goals for yourself? Even if you do, at the time of this recording on January 22nd, 2022, you may have already given up on your New Year's resolution or any goals you've set for yourself for this year. After these last 2 years, does it seem harder than ever to set goals for yourself? Are you disappointed when a goal feels out of reach? Or are you disappointed when it feels like achieving a goal is not even something that's within your reach? Maybe visualization is what was missing from your goal setting process. According to Inc. magazine, visualization is the practice of repeatedly imagining what you want to achieve in order to create it and attract it. Perhaps you already subscribe to ideas like law of attraction, putting things out to the universe, a higher power. Have you read the book or seen the movie, The Secret? It's all about visualization and putting what you want into the universe and receiving it back. And a big part of the practice of law of attraction is visualization. Lots of professional Olympic athletes use visualization to help them achieve their goals. For example, two Olympic swimmers, Michael Phelps and Katie Ledecky, use visualization. Powerful entrepreneurs also use visualization. Think Oprah and Sarah Blakely. I'd love to know if you use the practice of visualization already. And if you do, what kind of success have you had with it? Today, I'm going to walk you through the practice of making a digital vision board and how you can use that to attract the things you want in your life this year. To inspire you to come up with your vision, answer these 4 questions for yourself. What does your best life look like? Goals. What goals will help you become that person? Actions. What actions will help you achieve the goals you set? And then create. What images will help you best represent your vision, goals, and actions? All these questions are in the caption of the video, so you can come back to them anytime you want. Before you pause the video to start working on these questions, let's look at some possible goal areas for you. Aspiration, career, charity, children, family, feelings, finances, financial, focus, fun, health, home. Inspiration, a list of things you want to try, kindness, knowledge, lifestyle, love life, mental health, money, my best blank, my dreams, partner, personal, physical, places I will go, professional, relational, relationships, self-care, self-love, significant other, spiritual, spouse, things to try, to-do lists, travel, values, wealth, word of the year, work. This list is not exhaustive, but should inspire you to get started. I created a template for a digital vision board in Canva for you. To access the link, go to bit.ly/vision board template 2022. I've also included the link in the caption of this video. You can use your own pictures and words. You can go to Pinterest for images. You can even find images on Google or some other software that you might use. Canva has a ton of options, Pixabay, Unsplash, whatever it is that you use already. And feel free to pause the video now to create in your template. Now that you've created your vision board, it's so important to use it every single day. Here's some ideas on how you can use this vision board in your life every day. Set it as your wallpaper on your computer, on your phone, on your tablet. You want to be able to see it and have it remind you of your vision and what you're attracting in your world this year. Print it, post it on your wall, copy it and paste it into your journal, print it out and put it on your visor in your car. Just someplace where you can see it every day and be reminded of what you want. Journal about your goals and what you envision for yourself. Another powerful tool is to use gratitude. How do you do that? Write down how grateful you are for all these things that you envision for yourself, how grateful you are to have achieved your goals. If you write about them in the present tense, it is so powerful. Your brain already thinks that you've achieved these things. Tell me in the comments, how will you incorporate your vision board into your life every day? I hope you found this video valuable. If one of your goals is to land a more fulfilling job this year, let's talk. I'd love to connect on a discovery call and learn how I can help you. Schedule your call at bit.ly/Annette Garsteck schedule. Again, I've included that link in the caption for you. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified every time I upload something new. See you next time.